name's Hunter Crass. I'm from LC, and I'm a second year here at the Area Career Center for welding. Well, in our program, we do a whole bunch of stuff. We learn how to use oxy-fuel cutting. We know how to use a plasma cutter. Yeah, basically, I'm just make sparks fly. Well, what I like about the program is it teaches you leadership. It teaches you how to basically work with your hands, how to measure, how to tell how thick a diameter of metal is, because I never knew how to do that. What I plan for my future is I plan to go into either underwater welding or pipe fitting. Along that, do reserve training with the Marine Corps so I can weld for them